Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna talk about how to fix this fingerprint sensor not working problem in your Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone. So let's fix this. So if you have the oily hands and if you are putting on the fingerprints, so if it sometimes it is not working, so firstly you have to open your settings. You have to clean your finger before you just put the fingerprint sensor to on your smartphone. So go to this applications, and here are see all the applications. Tap on this, and here you have to write Google Play Services. You have to clear cache this. Go to this storage, now clear cache, and then simply press back. Again in the search you have to write here Android system. You can just clear cache this Android system like this and simply press back. Now you have to just long press this power button to click on this power off button, and here it is the safe mode. Just click on this and you have to just wait for 1 to 2 minutes after it's open. And friends, by doing this safe mode, now you have to again press on this power button, and then you have to restart your device again. Like just long press this button, power button, and click on this restart, and again just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. And friends, you can see now it is open. So if it is still not fixing this fingerprint problem, you can do one more trick, is that go to the settings, go to the fingerprint sensor, and then you have to just delete the previous one fingerprint, and you can put your new fingerprint here. So you can now just restart your device and your fingerprint problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.